So we're now off to see the classic cars, because apparently we got classic cars today. And I can see one from here, and I believe it's one of my friends. Look at that baby there. Is that not cool? Yeah, a Zodiac, Ford Zodiac. Lovely beast. Absolutely lovely.
Thank you so much.
And we always see this one out quite often. Stag, purple. And the wood trim. Even auto. That's a beast. And we see this one out quite often. He uses this as a daily. All right. Can't beat the old ones, can you?
It's all good fun.
Yeah.
When it's not raining.
Yeah.
Or hailing.
That's why mine's.
Snowing.
That's why my Escort's still at home in the garage.
Yeah.
Only because I've got to sort the brakes out, and I just haven't done it at the moment. It's like everything.
You're supposed to do it.
Yeah, I know.
That's the theory.
Yeah.
We don't make cars anymore. We don't make anything. Yeah, when things struggle, things drop off.
Nice Jag.
Yeah, no worries. I'll be back
Sorry.
when we've finished.
It's a cracking beast. You can smell that coming out the window. The old smell. And there's Zephyr. Absolutely beauties. Almost like your American cars. And the Morgan, new one-ish. Sprite. Just in case you have a fire, need an extinguisher. And look at that cracker.
It's here till 3 p.m.
Cortina.
Yeah, if they get here, just so they can. Say their message and then
Let's have a look on the back. Oh no, it's just it's Lotus colour. Just the GT. Cool, you can smell the smell of the oldness. My favourite. That's the best bit about my classic car, is when I get in it and you can got that lovely smell of classic car. Look at this beast. When you think about it, that's the size of an EV now. It's even for sale.
So there was like sheltered accommodation, but as well as the sheltered thing, there was also assisted living accommodation, but to different degrees. It's assisted living
And I think everyone notices one of those. If you saw back in the 60s, it'd be a police car. That's cool. So that's the classic cars. Only a small few, but hey, it makes the day, doesn't it? And if you're coming down to Dursley, especially in the summer months, do make sure you come down at this time of year when they have their parades on and stuff. In fact, on the wreck, I believe there's a fair up there as well, if I remember.
Laser shooting.
I will. The man there, laser shooting. Not really a laser person myself, if you know what I mean.